Today we're going to fix the stool. So this is all convoluted here. And there's a couple of things that we could do. We could remove this screw here and put it in this way. And that would probably make it a little bit stronger. Could add another screw up there to make that stronger. But I tend to think if we put something here to replace this missing bar, even if it's just this, that would make everything sturdy again. Now of course this is not thick enough that I want to put any weight onto this, but if this is just holding these two legs apart, I think this will be more than adequate. So I'm going to drill some holes in here and we'll just slip it in the holes. I've got a bit set here. I think this is going to be, I don't know. Let's see if I can find the right size for this. Could be a 7/16. Yeah, that's pretty close. One bigger would be 9/16. This is too big. Alright, we'll try 7/16. Oh, it says 7/16 right on it. There. Okay, so let's see if we can get a hole drilled. I think I'm going to have to get the bigger drill out, but I'll try this one, see if it works. One of the problems is I'm not going to be able to go quite flat. And if the holes go like right here, for instance, that worked a lot better than I thought it would. Not that that was very fast, but it probably took less time than getting the corded drill out. Okay, so let's see here. The leg is too far out, which means we have to we have to drill it in a little bit further. The hole's got to go deeper so that it can be further in. Okay, that seems pretty good. I think that's right about where it needs to be. I don't really expect it to come out, but just for means of extra security, I think I'll put a screw in there. Just a small one, you know, like this. That's pretty solid now. It's never going to be perfect, but at least now I'm not going to fall. Yeah, that's much better. The legs are very sturdy now. The top is still a little wobbly, but you know, I'm not too concerned about it. I think it's fine. Okay, the stool is fixed.